folks, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a common external tangent to two unequal circles. So let's draw two unequal circles. Let's say the first circle has a radius of something like, let's say 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters, this is the bigger circle having a radius of 2 centimeters. So there we go. Then we have the smaller circle having a radius of 1 centimeter. So you can use any radius yourself, but if you prefer, you can also follow the radius given in this video. Then we have like this. So now I've drawn the circle. Now the next stage is you join the centers of the circles. So let's call the centers A and B of the big and small respectively. So let's join A to B. So this is A, this is that point, center to center B. Let's join it. Now the next stage is after you've done that, you need to mark OE equals to CB. So I'll mark OE, and that OE will be equal to the radius of the smaller circle. So let's call the radius of the smaller circle, let's call this CB. So we'll mark OE from this point O. We'll mark inwards. Another way of doing this is you subtract the radius of the circles and then you construct a circle within the bigger circle. But this time around, let's just mark OE. So even if you subtract the radius and then construct a smaller circle, it will still give you the same answer. So we center A and radius E. So this is OE. This is E. We center A and radius E, AE. We'll draw another circle. So now this circle will be like the the radius of this circle is the difference between the radii of the big and the small circle. So this is this given circle. Now the next thing is to construct a semicircle on AB. So cutting the previous circle at F. So now the next thing to do is to construct a semicircle, and this is AB. So the first thing to do is to, you can guess it right, to bisect AB. So that is the first procedure to constructing a semicircle on a line. And then we intersect the bisectors. Then you draw the bisector which passes through the intersections. Then that intersector, the point where that intersector crosses the line, will be the center of the semicircle. So we can draw a semicircle on the line now. So you can see it's actually a semicircle. So now this semicircle, it touches this smaller circle at, let's call this we have E, let's call this F. Yes, F, good. Now we'll draw a line through AF to meet the bigger circle. So let's draw a line through AF to meet the bigger circle. Now at this stage, the last process is to draw a line parallel to this line in the other circle. So this is actually very simple. All you need to do is put your ruler, or rather put your set square rather on the line. So then you put your ruler beside the set square. So then you extend it. So we extend the set square till it passes through. And then finally I will draw the parallel line. So this is how to draw a parallel line. Now after doing that, you draw a line through, assuming this is G, then and this is H. So you draw a line through GH. That is the ends of these parallel lines that is touching the two circles. So this will be the common external tangent to two unequal circles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.